Hi friends, did you know Excel is used by an estimated 750 million people worldwide and Microsoft has proclaimed it as the most important consumer product? Did you know that Microsoft has updated Office 2010, 13, 16 and 19, but still most of the basic features haven't changed, like how you create a pivot table in Excel or you design a SmartArt in PowerPoint? Now if you're still pondering on these questions, you have reached the right place. Welcome to wordsveda.com. Our motto is affordable training with unmatched quality. Now you may think we are just another training institute. We tell you how we are different. Our curriculum covers the basics to intermediate. We even cover some of the advanced functions that training institutes cover just in the advanced modules, but we have it within our basics. These include like how do you create charts or conditional formatting. One of the main reasons behind this is we know what the industry requirements are and we provide you exactly that. In the PowerPoint training, we have one module on how you can deliver presentations and not just how to prepare PowerPoint slides. Do check our courses page for the detailed curriculum on this. Now we tell you what's the next on our advantages. One is affordability. That is what drove behind this idea of providing training. We have training institutes charging hefty amounts of nearly 6,000 rupees for just the basic modules and covers just the Excel overview and arithmetic. However, our fees is way below this. Do check our courses page wordsveda.com for the fee structure and what exactly we are committing. Next is flexible timings. We do have batches on weekdays and weekends. Since we do have a wide variety of learner audience, we have kept the classes during weekend and planning soon with weekday batches as well. Given the flexibility of taking class from the comfort of your home or office, the training is online. It is live, instructor-led. It can also be done on a smartphone. However, for practice, it is better to be done on PC. Completion certificate is given to all the learners at the end of the training. This can be an added advantage to people who are looking for jobs and also freelancers. As we cater to a wide variety of learners and professionals, housewives and students, we have kept the batch size to the minimum so that we can provide individual attention to all. So are our learners here. We keep job seekers and certified course on Excel and PowerPoint with Words Veda help you stand out of the crowd. When recruiters are looking at thousands of profiles, there are students who want to learn the MS Office suite while pursuing their regular curriculum. You could be undergraduates or graduates. All of us are looking for growth in our current profession. Constantly upscaling learning is vital for skills like this certainly helps people who are looking for growth. We also have professionals who are looking at career shift, working on or taking a break from their career, people who are looking at freelance or work from home opportunities. This course enables exactly that. If you need more information on our courses, visit wordsveda.com/courses or you could enroll on our register page wordsveda.com/register. If you have still any queries, please send us an email to learning@wordsveda.com. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let us be part of your growth. Thank you and looking forward to you joining.